Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Altima. Have you ever had this situation? You are almost finished your brake pads and all of a sudden this happens. Bam! You break the sliding pin from the caliper. You're probably wondering how you replace this. If this is your first time that this happened, you might get a little nervous. So I'm going to show you today what to do if you break the sliding pin from your car. Now on this car it's very easy. As you can see, I should have torqued it and I went a little too hard and I broke it. And they just cost about $8, $9 in the store, and it's very easy to replace. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're gonna pick it up. Like I said, I already finished my brakes and this happened. And what you have to do is just right here where the pin that is broken, all you have to do is just pull it. See that? You pull it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take you got the rubber piece here and you're gonna remove it. Just remember how it goes. And you're gonna take your new one and you're gonna put some grease on it. Put enough grease, because what you want this sliding pins to move. Then you take the rubber piece, you put it right in there. Make sure it goes all the way in. You take it, let's put a little bit more grease in it. You're going to take it, you're going to push it right in. Now, if you see here, this rubber piece has to go inside. So you take a regular flathead screwdriver and you do it softly and you push it in. And while you push it, you turn it. You want that rubber piece to go in there because you don't want no water to go in there. And once it's in, just go all around. Make sure that rubber piece is inside. Now that you know it's inside, all you have to do is just bring it down, push the pin in, take the bowl and put it right in there. And that's about it. So you have replaced your sliding pins, your caliber sliding pins on your 2015 Nissan Altima. Once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.